Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pina Listiana. I want to explain about the result of mini research. Okay, the title is Analysis of Edition Errors Found in the Student's English Text. The next is Focus. The focus and sub-focus of the research. The writer focused on identifying the edition error found in the student's English text. The writer classifies English text words contain edition then put into table. After that, the writer tries to find out the function of edition word found in English text students. Relevant research. There are several studies they conduct to support this research. The writer chooses the relevant previous research through considering the appropriateness subject as this research. The first research is entitled Analysis of Omission and Addition Errors Found in Student English Text. The second entitled is A Study on Error Pattern in Addition in Primary School Children, 7 years old children. The third entitled is Addition Error Pattern Among the Preschool Children. And then the fourth entitled is Surface Strategy, Taxonomy, and Foreign Language Writing, a study on verb tense usage. And the last entitled is Error Made in Google Translate in Indonesia to English Translations of New Item Text. Okay, the next is Theoretical Framework. To conduct a research, the researcher needs theory to explain concepts or terms in the research concern. In this research, there are some terms that need theoretical explanation. This framework is needed in order to handle the theoretical elaboration on terms used and give clear understanding about all terms related to the study. The theoretical elaboration was okay. Let's move to chapter 2, literature review. Error day. The edition error form is an error adds an item which should not be in an utterance. Addition is a type of error marked by the presence of an item which doesn't necessarily appear in well-formed speech. The addition error is a step higher than with error of omission in the acquisition of a second language. At this level, the learner has acquired the grammatical rules of the second language. Chapter 3 is research methodology. This research used qualitative method to found addition error found in the student's English text. The data was collected by the writer from asking a paper of English text or procedure text in a senior high school. This is data collection technique. The next step is to choose the technique of data collection that will be used. The technique of collecting data is the way the writer do for collecting data in research. In this research study, the writer used research type research. This type research relies on data collecting technique from several sources related to the subject matter of the research. Here, it can be concluded that the author used a qualitative type of research because the development of the research material is obtained from relevant previous literature data. The next is sample. The sample in this study was an English textbook for class 10, and we used a procedure text to analyze students' error in adding English text. Next is chapter 4, research analysis. Research data analysis. In this chapter, the writer will explain the result of data analysis related to the sample of the research. Here is a procedure text made by student senior high school 3 Bandar Lampung. Last step has incorrect addition word. serve frozen fruit salad, frozen commutable, cold, so fruit salad should be eaten when it's cold. Okay, the last is conclusion and recommendation. Finally, we have already finished this research about an analysis of addition errors found in student English text. The writer can conclude the addition error form is an error that adds an item which should not be in an utterance. Addition is a type of error marked by the presence of an item which does not necessarily appear in well-formed speech. Okay, enough from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.